to think of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go.
Along with multifarious struggles and triumphs, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey the establishment had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow.
Education is not the acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character. We roll down a red carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries, our honored management, all treasured invitees, parents, reverse teachers, friends, and of course our starling students.
A small announcement to dear parents. During the function, parents will be allowed to meet the children at the backstage or in a green room. In case if the child is not comfortable, we will contact you in person. Snacks and water will be provided to the children. The kids will be handed over to you after the event. Please do not click any picture using your mobile phones or cameras, as kids will get disturbed by seeing you. School management will provide YouTube link. Photographs also will be provided by the school. If you really want to enjoy event, please ensure that your mobiles are on silent mode. Give quality of time to your children. You need to know that every child has worked so hard to give a beautiful presentation right in front of their parents. We need to hear the thunder of claps go for each and every act. Komali.
How lovely is the day, so does the ambience and aura surrounding. Soon the colors of merriment will unfold and will transport us to another world. Yes, we are all joined together as a family to revel addition of milestone of our accomplishments of Kidzi Pre-Primary School, LB Nagar.
Today is a special day as we are here to celebrate our first annual day and kindergarten graduation ceremony. I, Shalini.
I, Komali. Welcome you all on behalf of the entire Kidzi group.
मंजिल मिल ही जाती है एक दिन, ये कोई मुकद्दर के खेल नहीं होते. अगर कोशिश है ना करे इंसान तो कामयाबी से मिल नहीं होते.
The prophecy of our first annual day 2018 has delivered the students a level of enhancement it takes along with it. It is a day of out and out unsealed portrayal of flair and robustness of our kids.
This is a platform to bring into line with our vision, which states that not only the academic development of child is important, but the development of complete person, which helps the students to stand out in the competitive environment. Saraswati Mahabage Vidya Kamalalochane Vidya Rupe Visalakshi Vidyam Dehi Namostute.
Like every other auspicious occasion, let's start this event by offering our prayer to Ma Saraswati and conduct our customary lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge.
For this, we'll request our honored director and chairperson, Mr. Abhishek Sharma Somayajula, respected principal, Mrs. Haritha Reddy Chintakuntla, come upon dais to light the lamp. We request everybody to stand for the light lampening. Give us the wisdom to make this world a better place to live. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other form of life. May the truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the dawn of self-realization. We would like to start the Lord's Prayer by showing gratitude with prayer song by our music teacher, Mrs. Bhargavi Garu. Let us welcome her.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini. Vidyarambham karishyami Siddhir bhavatu me sada. विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सुरासुरैः सेविता पादपङ्कज सुरासुरैः सेविता पादपङ्कज करेशराजितकमनीय पुस्तक वाणी मां पाहि गीर्वाणी मां पाहि वाणी मां पाहि पुस्तकपाणि मां पाहि वीणापाणि मां पाहि पन्नगवेणी मां पाहि. Thank you.
I am Arya and junior KG. Yakundendu.
కాదు యాకుందే పాడు యాకుందే పాడు
ఉన్నారు వారారు
నానా కోమలి కింది కూర్చో
యాకుందేందు చెప్పు యాకుందేందు చెప్పు సేనానా టైం వేస్తుంది తనకి ఇక్కడికి రా కమ్ హియర్ చెప్పు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు సేనా యాకుందేందు చెప్పు యాకుందేందు చెప్పు
యాకుందేందు తుషార యాకుందేందు తుషార ధవల శుభ్రవస్తం వీణ వరదండ మండి చక్ర శ్వేత పద్మాసన బ్రహ్మాచ్యుత శంకర ప్రభుతిభిః దేవై సదా పూజిత సామంపాదు సరస్వతి భగవతి నిశేష జాజాపః.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆర్య.
Music is the moment of sound to reach the soul for education of its virtue.
Shalini ma'am, do you feel the turbulence around here?
Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, songs, light and joy.
Our kids are going to draw the strings of our heart and add their soothing voices to cherish our soul by chanting beautiful songs.
Let's welcome them.
పిల్లలు నేర్చుకున్న చిన్న నోటు స్వరం పాడతారండి. శక్తి సహిత గణపతి. శక్తి
సహిత గణపతి శంకరాది సేవితం నిరత సకలం వరాసుర రాజ వినుత గురు గుహం భక్తాని పోషకం భవసుతం వినాయకం
భక్తి ముక్తి ప్రేరం భూషితాంగం రక్తపదంబుజం భావయామి. భక్తి ముక్తి ప్రేరం భూషితాంగం రక్తపదంబుజం భావయామి.
హలో వస్తుంది
ధీరశంకరాభరణ రాగంలో ముత్తుస్వామి దీక్షితార్ రచన.
హలో
శ్యామలే మీనాక్షి.
హలో
శ్యామలే
మీనాక్షి సుందరేశ్వర సాక్షి శంకరి గురు
పంకజలోచని పద్మాసనవాణి హరిలక్ష్మీ వినుతే శాంభవి. శ్యామలే మీనాక్షి సుందరేశ్వర సాక్షి శంకరి గురు గుహ సముద్భవే శివేవ పామరమోచని
పంకజలోచని పద్మాసనవాణి
లక్ష్మీ
వినుతే శాంభవి. కృష్ణ శ్రీరూపి సత్య భామాపతే వాణి పదే బ్రహ్మ గౌరీ వరేణ్యం లక్ష్మీ పరేశ్వర నారాయణ లక్ష్మీ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ అని హలో హలో ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
ఆదితాళం పప్పు సోమేశ్వర శాస్త్రి గారి రచన. సులోచని సుహాసిని. సులోచని
సుహాసిని సుధామయి సరస్వతి సుమాలిని సుమంగళి సుఖాసిని సునందిని వినోదిని యశస్విని మనస్విని జగద్ధాయమానరూపధారిణి పరాత్పరి విలోచని సుహాసిని యశస్విని మనస్విని జగద్ధాయమానరూపధారిణి పరాత్పరి సులోచని సుహాసిని సుధామయి సరస్వతి సుమాలిని సుమంగళి సుఖాసిని సునందిని పరమహంసవాహిని
పరంపరనుతపాణి నిరుపమ గుణగీతాని నిరతదయాకరవాణి పరమహంసవాహిని పరంపరనుతపాణి నిరుపమ గుణగీతాని
నిరతదయాకరవాణి వరవీణా ధరవేణి పుస్తకధారిణి
వాళ్ళతో ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ కావాలండి. सभी जन एक है, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है। అసలు అన్నిటికంటే వాళ్ళ ఇష్టాలన్నింటినీ వాళ్ళు ఒక పాటగా పాడతామంటున్నారండి మా పిల్లలు. ఒక్కసారి వినండి. ఆటలంటే మాకిష్టం, పాటలంటే మాకిష్టం, ఆటల కన్నా అల్లరి పనులే మాకిష్టం. ఆటలంటే మాకిష్టం, పాటలంటే మాకిష్టం, ఆటల కన్నా పాటల కన్నా అల్లరి పనులే మాకిష్టం. పువ్వులంటే మాకిష్టం, పిట్టలంటే మాకిష్టం, పువ్వుల కన్నా పిట్టల కన్నా కడం మాకిష్టం. కొత్త బట్టలు మాకిష్టం, పౌడర్ మాకిష్టం, బట్టల కన్నా సాల కన్నా మట్టిలో ఆటలు మాకిష్టం. సినిమాలంటే మాకిష్టం, మిఠాయిలంటే మాకిష్టం, సినిమా కన్నా మిఠాయి కన్నా షికార్లు కొట్టుట మాకిష్టం. వానలంటే మాకిష్టం, వెన్నెలంటే మాకిష్టం, వానల కన్నా వెన్నెల కన్నా అమ్మ ముద్దులే మాకిష్టం, మా అమ్మ ముద్దులే మాకిష్టం. లా 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 la 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 la. Thank you.
Wow, that was a lovely one. Audience, did you enjoy? Now our students will present you Z anthem.
Water me, my potential inside. Water weight, you are in my flight. You define me, my potential inside. What the wind?
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you, my potential inside.
Thank you, children.
You're it in me, you're in my light. You're unique, my potential inside. You are the wind, beneath my flight. You define me, my potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you, my potential inside.
Okay, thank you, children.
ఈ డిజైన్ అలా ఉంది, వర్క్మెన్షిప్ ఇలా ఉందని మార్కెట్లో కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారా? లలిత జ్యువెలరీలో మీకు నచ్చిన నగకు ఎస్టిమేట్ స్లిప్ తీసుకోండి. ఆ నగను మొబైల్లో ఫోటో కూడా తీసుకోండి. రెండింటిని పెట్టుకుని 4-5 షోరూంలో కంపేర్ చేయండి. ఎక్కడ ధర తక్కువగా ఉంటే అక్కడే కొనండి. డబ్బులు ఈజీగా రావు, ఇంతవరకు ఎక్కువ డబ్బులు ఇచ్చింది చాలు.
That school only means to study academics. There is various other forms of knowledge which is usually being taught at school.
The Kidzi represents achievements, zeal and hard work and dreams of our team. Of course our students. So it's time to confer our annual accomplishments, small and big victories. We would like to call upon stage our respected principal, Mrs. Haritha Reddy Chintakuntla, to present our annual report.
I, Mrs. Haritha, the principal of Kidzi, LB Nagar, is pleased to welcome you all to this wonderful evening where we are celebrating our first annual day and graduation day. Let me give a brief introduction about Kidzi. Kidzi is a pioneer of early childcare and education in India and Nepal. Kidzi preschool is a part of 1700 plus centers spread across 500 plus cities in both India and Nepal. Till now, Kidzi has nurtured over 450,000 children. Kidzi has a proprietary pedagogy ILUM, India's one and only university verified preschool curriculum. Kidzi is a part of the renowned and reputed Z Group and SL Group. Now it is enduring tradition to take time to pause, to turn around to look to the fruitful year gone by, achieving both the expected and unexpected while setting various milestones and then scenarizing ourselves to move ahead to face the challenges in the coming year with a positive attitude. With a great pleasure, I present to you the annual report of the school for the academic year 2017-18. While the focus was on a holistic development of every student, we also believe in total transparency in our working. As quality is not exact, it is a habit of providing world-class facilities with future-driven campus for futuristic learning like activity room, library room, outdoor play, water play, sand play, music classes, dance classes, and 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Every discussion that is made, every new thing that is implemented undergoes rounds of discussions. Our teachers have undergone training to enhance teaching abilities to be more effective. We strongly believe activities play a prominent role in development of the child. Here we conduct many activities in which some craft works are done by them. As always, the school starts in the month of June. We do the same. thing on June 12th. But before 2 days, that is on June 10th, was very special to us because our center at LB Nagar was launched on that day, where it was inaugurated by the famous educationist Mr. Chukka Ramaya Garu, who is into IIT teaching profession. With his blessings, our school started with a very good number of little tots. On the same day, we have conducted many competitions for the parents and children and distributed prizes for the winners. In the month of July, the center, with a great takeoff with good number of pupils, celebrated the auspicious festival of Ramzan with iftar party with all our students and management. In the same month, we have celebrated the Red Colors Day with children wore beautiful red roses and the red roses bore their heads by seeing the beauty and charm of our little blossoms in red color dresses. We know that the month of August is a month of joy and celebration of various festivals. On the festival of Rakhi, our girl students tied Rakhis to the boys to express the joyful feeling of brother and sister relationship. On the Janmashtami celebration, the school premises bore the like of Brindavanam with our kids with beautiful attire of Gopikas and Kanayas, and we became the astronauts Yashodas. The Independence Day was celebrated with great patriotic zeal, where the children sang some songs and national flag was hoisted. This August ending was special, where our children celebrated Vinayak Chaturthi with the children distributing eco-friendly Ganesha idols to the people as a part of Save Our Environment theme. The month of September started with Teachers' Day celebrations, where the children showed their gratitude towards their teachers by bringing handmade greeting cards prepared by themselves. They showed their love by presenting red roses and their beautiful smiles. In this month, the festival of Batkama and Dashara was celebrated, where girls brought Batkama from their houses and celebrated the Telangana's state festival with great excitement. On the next day, we went on a field trip to Nehru Zoological Park, where the children were tiptoed on the view of different animals and colorful birds. There are no words to describe their joy. On the next day, the first PTM was conducted and the response from the parents was awesome. In the month of October, we celebrated Deepavali, in which the children once again showed their responsibility as a good citizens by going out on a rally to bring awareness to avoid the usage of crackers. The slogan of "No Crackers, Save Environment" by the children made the colony vibrate with good thought. The month of November is a month of children, and we celebrated the Children's Day on November 14. We conducted fancy dress competition on that day, in which the children participated enthusiastically by appearing in different types and styles of fancy dresses. The boys and girls were given prizes for variety attire. In the same month of November, we conducted iCare session, which deals with the child's abuse and their safety. This was hosted by our Kidsy team member, Mrs. Mahalakshmi ma'am, and it was very appealing to the parents. On the same day, the workshop on parenting was conducted, which was very informative to the parents. On November 25th, the Kid Olympics was organized by Z Mount Litera, Hydernagar, for the 10 Kidsy centers around, in which different types of games were conducted together for all the centers. I'm very proud to say that in this Olympics, our children grabbed completely 9 medals to our center. The last month of 2017, December, was again a fruitful month with the celebrations of Christmas, where our children enjoyed a lot with the Santa Claus and decorated the Christmas tree with their little hands. The last day of the year 2017 was celebrated as a new year by cutting the cake and sharing our happiness with our children by entering into 2018 with lots of hopes and goals in our mind. The new year 2018 was started with Sankranti celebrations, where we have conducted Rangoli competition to the parents and also colony members, which was very a grand success. On the same day, Bogipallu were shod on the heads of the children. Later, the kite festival brought great excitement to the students. On the second PTM, the parents gave a positive report on all our all-round development, which gave us a great encouragement for our future. Again, on 26 January 2018, we celebrated the Republic Day with our kids, who are our nation's future. Setting apart the above asset celebrations, we have to say a few words about our teaching staff. Our teachers have so much love and affection towards the kids and have great joy, happiness and excitement in teaching them. And in doing so, they also learned a lot. The teachers have completed their academic culmination works on time and took special interest on children who are needy. With the blessings of the parents of the kids, well-wishers, friends and family, I promise everyone that I'll keep up the high spirits of our school in the coming year as well. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nandakishwar from Senior KG. కనకపు సింహాసనమున శునకము కూర్చుండబెట్టిన పలరగ్నమున తనద పట్టము గట్టిన వెనకటి గుణవేలవాను వినరా సుమతి.
That was such a beautiful recital. How enchanting. Truly sophisticated and well performed.
అంటే మాకు ప్రాణం. పొద్దుగాల 6 గంటలకు వస్తాం. 6 గంటలకు వచ్చి పశువులకు పాలు వింటాం. మేము పాలు విండి మళ్ళీ పొద్దునకి 6 గంటలకు పాలు వింటాము. పెద్దవాళ్ళకు పిల్లలకు పాలు పోసినాము. మాకెంతో సంతోషం.
బయట ఎక్కడో కన్నా మా నాన్నగారి ఫామ్లో పని చేయడం నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. నాకు నా భార్యకు ఈ ప్రకృతిలో పని చేయడానికి చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. వీలున్నప్పుడు నా పనులు నేనే చేసుకుంటాను. ఇంటికాడ అందరు నా మాటనే వింటారు. ఇంటికి యజమానులు నేనే.
ప్రేమతో మన గ్రామం నుంచి
talent in different sports and games at Kid Olympics conducted on 25th November 2017 at Z Mount Litera. Now it's time to acknowledge the talent of our brimming buddies by giving away the medals and certificates who have won the prizes.
I humbly request our principal ma'am to give away the medals and certificates. Sanvi, second prize. D. Advait, third prize. In hurdles category, Nehali, second prize. In relay race, Alok, Advait, Snehali and Sanvi, second prize. I call even D. Advait, nursery.
winners.
Thank you, children.
स्ट्रेस का पूरा कप, प्लेट फुल ऑफ डर, मम्मी कहेगी तो पढ़ेगी कब? ये डर ये फिक्र रखो अपने पास, बचपन होता है एक मस्ती की क्लास, एग्जाम्स का नहीं डर, सब नहीं हो रहा, मार्क्स तुम मत डराओ, चर्चा निकल ले भाग। बच्चे ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे तो क्यों डरेंगे?
Thank you.
Much of your time, we will move on to our next program.
Let's move forward to a different dance form that shouts of sophistication and grace. It's time for a medley of a combination of Tollywood and Bollywood songs.
Let us welcome our rocking senior and junior KG little boys for blasting performance.
Ready?
నిక్కర్ నుండి జీన్స్ లోకి మారిన, సైకిల్ నుండి బైక్ లోకి మారిన, కాన్వెంట్ నుండి కాలేజ్ కి మారిన, నోట్బుక్ నుండి ఫేస్బుక్ కి మారిన, ఏరా పిలుపు నుండి బాబాయ్ పిలుపు దాకా కాలింగ్ మారిన, ఫ్రెండ్ అన్న మాటలో స్పెల్లింగ్ మారునా, ఫీలింగ్ మారునా, మారినా ఫ్రెండ్ మారే కానీ బాండ్ పేరు ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మారినా, ఫ్రెండ్ మారే గుండెలోన సౌండ్ పేరు ఫ్రెండ్షిప్.
Awesome! That was a stunning performance by our super boys. They need a thunder of claps.
Good evening, everyone. I am Hari State. I am from senior KG. తల్లిదండ్రులందు దయలేని పుత్రుండు పుట్టనేమి వారు గిట్టనేమి పుట్టలోన చెదలు పుట్టవా గిట్టవా విశ్వదావిరామ వినురవేమ. Thank you.
We value the academics, but also creative tendencies and cultivate it into something great which stays with your life for lifetime.
It brings the wide-ranging expansion in students' capability and disposition, thereby increasing their chances of sustaining in ever-fierce practical world. Now it's time for prize distribution ceremony. I would like to call upon our director, Sir Mr. Abhishek Sharma, for giving away mementos to our beloved kids.